Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, I'm Femke, and in today's video I'm going to share with you how I made this super easy do-it-yourself Halloween pumpkin design. I used some stamping plates that I got from Born Pretty store, so yeah, if you're curious how to make this, please keep on watching. Once again, you can make this with other polishes as well, but I just used a black stamping polish and an orange stamping polish by Born Pretty store, and I do have a 20% discount code that you can use if you want to. I will leave it in the pinned comment down below as well as the description box. But if you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, I would really love you guys to do so and become a part of my little nail family here at YouTube. And of course, don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well if you want to see some more behind the scenes shots and of course photos of projects that I'm working on at the moment. But yeah, here I'm already showing you one of the plates that I'm going to use. It is one by Born Pretty store, and at the bottom you can actually see what it's called, so you can easily look it up, but I will try to leave the link in the description box down below as well if you want to purchase this one yourself. It is really inexpensive. I think it was like $3 or something like that, so it's quite a bargain, especially if you're like me and into Halloween stuff, Halloween designs. And yeah, you can use these plates for ages. Like, I have some Born Pretty store plates. I think those are like 6 years old already, maybe even older, and they're still in perfect condition. But yeah, the black stamping polish that I am going to use is, of course, as I mentioned, by Born Pretty store as well. It is in an older packaging. That is because I actually purchased that black one myself like ages ago, and it still works wonders. Then another plate I'm going to use is one by Nicole Diary. Once again, you can see the number of that one at the bottom of the plate as well. And I just wanted to add this Halloween and pumpkin-y one to my ring finger, but because I have quite narrow, small, in width, small nails, the Halloween text didn't fit perfectly on there, but oh well, I still think it looks really cute, and especially because I've also applied that full image, like full nail image, to the thumb, which was on an orange base as well. I think it ties in the design pretty nicely. Then for the middle finger, which is on a black base, I used that same orange stamping polish that I also used like full on the thumb and the ring fingernail, but unfortunately on top of the black it wasn't as bright as I wanted it to, or maybe I had to layer it a couple of times more, maybe even 3 layers to make it more opaque. But I did add with the black stamping polish the extra features to the pumpkin or the jack-o'-lantern, however you want to call it. Then as an extra little orange accent to the other black based nails, I added kind of like, not really a dry brush technique, I added quite a bit of polish to the brush actually to make the orange more opaque and just more bright, because I love my orange colors. You guys know me, I'm Dutch. I just love my oranges to be really bright. And that was pretty much the entire design already. It is so easy. You only need 2 stamping polishes, of course, a base and a top coat. The top coat I will show you in a little bit. And just, yeah, just a couple of items. You don't need a lot items to do cute nail designs, especially if you're working with stamping plates, image plates, and polishes. You could also use regular polishes, which are really pigmented, if you don't have any stamping polishes. And yeah, after that, I'm just going to clean up the edges around the nail. Just make sure that most of the stamping polish is off where it isn't supposed to be. And after that, after waiting for like 10 to 15 minutes, I'm going in with a no smudge manicure top coat. This one is by Born Pretty store as well. I'm still testing this one out because in my previous video last Friday, I saw that there still was a little smudging going on in that fall design, and also still some smudging, especially on the black stamping polish nails. In this particular design, like for some reason it doesn't smudge the orange stamping polish at all. I only have had it with the black so far, so I don't know if it is the stamping polish that is just hella pigmented. I'm just going to try it out with some different black polishes as well, which stamp nicely, just to see whether it is the polish or it is the no smudge top coat after all. But I will get back to that once I've done some more like research and tried some more different combinations out. But this was the entire design already. I'm really so ready for Halloween and just fall and festivities. I love it so much. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you liked it. If you have any questions or comments, do let me know in the comment section down below, and I'm really happy to reply to you guys. Look up some things. If you're looking for specific items, just let me know in the comments down below. If the links aren't yet in the description box, I will try to do so ASAP. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and as usual, I hope to see you in one of my next videos.